Harshita Kashyap, who's an actor, joins us. Harshita, thank you so much for joining us on NDTV. Tell us, what was the first thought that came to your mind when you heard of this yesterday? And also, it's been 24 hours. The intruder is still at large. What is the film fraternity thinking?
I was shocked. I'm sure, not just me, whoever have heard this news, they are still trying to process the entire scenario, how it's even possible. Initially, I thought it's a kind of major attack, just like Mr. Siddiqui has been gone through. Then suddenly, like it was a normal intruder who just entered and managed to attack the entire family. It was very shocking, and it's very questionable also because a place like Mumbai, which is considered to be one of the most secure cities of our country, then Bandra, which is a very posh area, and the person like Saif Ali Khan, who has good security, and the building where he stays, it's full of paps all the time, full of camps. Still, somebody managed to enter. It's very threatening and horrifying. I'm still trying to process how it's even possible.
Harshita, before we continue this discussion, NDTV has also accessed this image of the intruder who was seen near Bandra station. So that is, those are the visuals from the CCTV cameras there. That is the photo or the visuals of the intruder, who of course is still on the run. Police have a lot of investigation teams. In fact, 10 investigation teams have been formed to probe this case of attack on Saif Ali Khan. This was an attempted burglary case. That's what police have also told media persons. That on your screen is the photo, the image of the intruder who was seen near Bandra station. Harshita, coming back to you, there's also a lot of scrutiny on this case. How does that also make the film fraternity feel? Because, we've seen the firing of shots at Salman Khan's residence, or the latest attack on Saif Ali Khan, and before that, the murder of Baba Siddiqui. So clearly there are 3 incidents, shooting, stabbing, which have happened. I mean, clearly the film industry would be shaken by this. How are they sort of coping with this?
I'm sure nothing is like interconnected, but again, it is somehow. All the powerful celebrities are being attacked. Baba Siddiqui was shot dead. And Salman Khan, he's under hell lot of security because his life is under threat. And now somebody has entered Saif Ali Khan also and even managed to attack him and managed to run away also. I know it's not interconnected, but definitely it doesn't seem like a very normal case. Still, I'm trying to process, is it like a very normal thing has happened, or something is very fishy? Or maybe celebrities these days have become a very soft target for, and very easy target for anyone. Initially, they just troll, they blame, they connect with political issues, and now the attack has also started. So definitely, it's not something it shouldn't happen, and it's again alarming situation for all the known people, celebrities, and all. Their security is on stake because they are like role models, and their role model is also not safe. So what do you expect from normal people, where it's all happening in Mumbai, and that is the main shocking thing. And I'm really thinking, I really hope and I wish that he's having a speedy recovery. But again, what if the case was more major? What if the attack was more major? What if the person has attacked their family?
Right.
It's very shocking.
Also, Harshita, do celebrities now feel the need to invest in private security? Because, the police and investigating agencies have also been proactive. They've been responsive. But of course, there is, a breakthrough that is yet to happen in this case. But it's been just 24 hours. How do you also see the response of investigating agencies? Do you find that reassuring?
I'm not talking about everyone, but people who has been attacked, like Salman Khan, Baba Siddiqui, and Saif Ali Khan, they have securities, and even that security is not enough. What do you expect from other actors? Initially, they invest on themselves. their workout, their PR, and a hell lot of things. And now the security is also one of the most concerned. And somehow, if somebody is acting and some character has been played, people are very sensitive these days. You can't joke. You have to be very conscious. You can't comment or act or play any character which is like which can hurt somebody's or some a group of people's sentiments, and then stay in a thread that you can be threatened, you can be attacked. Or trolling is the very normal thing. That is
Right.
like you have to be thick-skinned. So exactly, security has become a very major issue everywhere. Like
Right.
even for the cricketers also,
Right.
they
Absolutely.
can't stay like a normal human being. They have to work on only those topics where everybody is happy, which is very like impossible.
Absolutely. So multiple questions being raised there a day after Saif Ali Khan was attacked by an intruder. Thank you so much, Ashita, for joining us with those points.